The Statue of Liberty was gifted to the United States by France. The Nile River flows through Egypt into the Mediterranean Sea. The Colosseum is located in the heart of Rome, Italy. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is famous for its unusual tilt. The Sahara Desert stretches through many countries in North Africa. The North Pole is covered by ice most of the year. Mount Fuji is considered sacred to the people of Japan. The Amazon rainforest is home to millions of species. The Great Barrier Reef lies along the coast of Queensland, Australia. The pyramids of Egypt were built over more than 4,000 years ago.